If you want to pay with your Xiaomi 15T, here's what you need to do. So first of all, we need to make sure that NFC is enabled. If we go to settings, we can go to more connectivity options, and then over here we have NFC, so make sure that it is enabled. Besides that, you can add the NFC button to control center or quick settings. If you tap on edit over here, you should be able to find it in system toggles, so it will be easier in the future to turn it on or off. Besides that, we need to set up the wallet, or we need to add our credit or debit card. So in the app drawer, you can look for the wallet app. If you don't have it for some reason, you can go to the Play Store and download the Google Wallet app for free. Once you open it, we should be able to tap on View Wallet. We can also agree to receive notifications, and we can press on this plus button in the bottom right corner and then choose payment card. You will open the rear camera and you can scan the details of your payment card. So you can line it up over here. And if you have trouble with scanning these details, you can choose enter details manually at the bottom. And then over here we can fill everything in and then press save and continue. After that, you might need to follow the rest of the instructions, and of course you can add multiple payment cards into the wallet app. And you can choose which one should be used by default. And that is pretty much it. Now, if you want to pay with the phone, once you add the payment card, then of course remember to have the NFC enabled. And your phone should be unlocked to be able to actually pay with your phone. So you have to keep that in mind. And then of course you just put your phone on the terminal just like you do with your card, for example, and it should work just fine. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.